about to throw a 5-minute timer up on the screen because I'm going to make $10,000 in less than 5 minutes and you're going to watch the whole thing. All right, all of the settings are in the description. You can go check that out and see it in my other videos. But for right now, we're going to use the hustle, the spillover, and a couple other strategies to make this money. Let's do it. We're doing $3,000 trades. They are 5 seconds each. Okay, well, that one was $5,760 that we just got. Now let's go and check out some other setups. Thinking of you, got nowhere else to run to. The bottom line, let's see what we got going on. Stop thinking of you, these walls keep closing. And look at that, we are at 116,392. I did it in less than 5 minutes. Actually, it was less than 4 minutes. So boom, if you want to learn this, you want to learn the hustle, you want to learn the spillover, you want to learn the golden setup, then the link is down in the description. But if anything, head over to Telegram because you're going to learn how to do a lot of this stuff for free. And if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next breakdown video.